Dancehall DJ influential, vehicle shot up by gunmen.
And this I want to go through.
This guy got shot up again, influential.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Entertainer influential is counting his blessing after narrowly escaping a shooting incident unharmed. Although still shaken by the incident, he said that he is lucky to be alive after the car he was traveling in was shot at by unknown assailants. Showing the bullet-riddled vehicle and smashed side windows, influential recalled the moments that he thought would have been his last.
Yeah man, fly this up. I go under the door, watch it now. Right, I saw it going. Shot me tell you, look there again. Turn the thing, turn it. Blood clean, boy. A 6 that? 6 shot, real. 6 shot. But them are good over even, man. Them can't do me nothing, brother.
On Tuesday morning, November the 20th, I left my yard in Ligani and I was on my way to Augustown to pick up my nephew. While I was on my way going through Mona, past the US Embassy, I noticed a white pro box trailing me. When I realized that they trail me, I decided that I nah bother go pick up my nephew. So I cut through Mona Heights and go around the primary school and turn back around, he said. When I turn back around now, at that time them bullet the car. Maybe about 8 shots or so, I don't even know. Everything happened so fast, so I really kinda did out of it. When the fright wear off, I head to the Augustown police to file a report, and then I was taken to the Mona police.
Pull back the seat. You see them will kill me, man. Can you see that one here? Right in my side, that man. See what I say? So I saw me setting. I said, I never pull back the seat quick and do so. Would have killed me, man. Yeah, whole heap of loud noise, man. Loud noise in my ears. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, I don't know how I think to pull back the seat, brother. But them just know what them do still, you know. Yeah, man, I'm not afraid of them. Yeah, I just want to know who do this, brother. I want to know who do this. Anything or anything to me, brother. A tune, man, I do. A song, me, I do. See, me I say, I'm not killing nobody, brother. See, me I say, I'm not killing nobody for no. No allow me, no, man. A song, me, I do, you know. See, me I say, a lyrical war, you know. Me, man, I put out song and I say all kind of this and that, you know, brother. So I better know what I do, you know. See, me I say, lyrical war, my lad. I don't want a man come at me, brother.
The entertainer said investigators at the station took his statement and did the necessary forensics. Checks with the Mona police confirmed his story. An investigation into the shooting is now underway.
Tell the people, boy, I come at me, man. But you know, man, good over evil. That's me I say, influential condemn, man. Good over evil. And mommy tell you. Nah, tell no lie, no, man. Them come hard, you know. But me not coward, but you don't know, them come hard. That's all I can say, them come hard. You don't know. Augustown, man. That's the thing, man. Lord class. 6 shot the man and put in that thing, brother. Try to kill, man. Years, man, I do good tune. Years, me I do good tune, my lad. I never yet this, man. Lyrical, we go. Lyrical, we do, my lad. Lyrical, we go do some song. Yo, man, tell it to yo, lock off.
Although this incident is the most serious, Influential has been the target of several attacks over the last month. He revealed that 3 weeks before the shooting, his previous car was also damaged when the tires were slashed and the windows busted. That incident, he said, was also reported to the police. Having suffered a near-death experience, Influential believes the police alone cannot get him the help he needs and has therefore sought the media's assistance. He says he wants the decent citizens of Jamaica to understand that he is being targeted and hopes that with more eyes on his situation, the perpetrators would be forced to leave him alone.
See me I say, my fans them know say them boy can't do nothing, man. I do good tune, bro. Them have to know say them to love me, man. No one I do. Lyrical war. And if a war no want, then we get war too. So no one I do. Remember me telling you.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.